Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to block someone on WhatsApp without them knowing. Being blocked by someone on WhatsApp can be disheartening. The same is true for others. Therefore, we don't want others to know we've blocked them. Thankfully, it's an easy process to block someone on WhatsApp without them knowing. WhatsApp doesn't send a notification to other users when you block them, so the other person doesn't know you've blocked him or her. However, WhatsApp makes some changes to your WhatsApp profile on his phone. First, launch WhatsApp on your phone, then tap and hold a chat you want to block. Then click the three dots in the top right corner and select block. Click block again to confirm. If you want to block a new number with whom you haven't made a conversation yet, follow these steps. On WhatsApp, click the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. Tap on Privacy and click Block Contacts, and then tap Add button in the top right corner. Now tap on the contact to block it. When you block someone on WhatsApp, the user isn't notified, but your WhatsApp profile on the other device doesn't appear the same as before. When you block someone on WhatsApp, the other persons can't see your profile picture, can't call you, can't send you messages, can't see your online status, can't see online status, and can't see your status updates. Blocking isn't the right approach all the time. Sometimes we just don't want to receive messages from a particular person for a limited period, and this is when the mute feature comes into play. Blocking, however, doesn't allow the person to message or call you, see your online status, profile picture, and status updates. If a person is bothering you with continuous messages, muting that person should work fine. However, if you don't want someone to send you messages or stalk your profile, blocking him or her seems reasonable. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos, and see you guys for the next videos.